Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side.
Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some churros and I love them. Here are the ingredients for making them. So yeah, let's get started. First we're gonna take a pot in which we're gonna put some water, and then we're gonna turn on the heat, and we're gonna add some butter in the pan or in the pot, sorry, and then we're gonna add some sugar to it. And when you see water boils and the butter melted, turn the stove to low heat. And now we're gonna add all-purpose flour to the mixture that we have just created and turn off the stove. And when are you mixing, make sure there are no lumps, and as you gradually mix it, it will get thick. And mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it comes together properly. We will not directly add the egg after we took it off the stove. We're gonna wait for a while for the dough to cool down, then we're gonna add egg. In the starting, the batter will look like a bit disgusting, but after a few minutes when you mix it properly, it's gonna look better and it's gonna have a nice consistency, as you can see. And now we're gonna take a piping bag, just twist it like that so that the batter doesn't come out from the piping bag. And I'm using a reusable piping bag over here. You can use any type of piping bag. We'll take some cooking oil, and as you can see, with the help of a piping bag and a knife, we are making churros, and we're gonna fry them till their color changes to golden brown. Then we'll strain all the oil from the churros, and then we're gonna take it out in a plate, and then we're gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top. You can use granulated sugar, but I didn't have that, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top. And for making a chocolate dip or chocolate sauce, we're gonna need some Nutella, and we're gonna add milk to it. And you can also take normal chocolate also and add milk to it. We're gonna microwave it for 20 seconds, and you can see how it's looking, and it's ready. And now you can enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment what you want to see next. Bye bye.